not pause.
Yeah, go on now.
Did you stop it? Because if it's
Yes.
paused, it will continue. Okay. Okay, so for this session, we'll be doing a workshop on the Azure board. So to create your tax, normally you have to go to the Sprint board to create your tax. And by doing so, you will click on this green plus sign, and then your tax will be created. Yeah. So if you now want to put the name of what you'll be doing on the blank space on the field, populate it by saying maybe manual testing. You can give it any title. Just put manual testing there. So this has not been assigned to anyone. If you click on the icon, the man.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So let's see if there are names there. Click on it. Nothing is coming up.
Nothing's coming up.
Okay.
Did he save it? Have you saved it? Have you?
I don't think it has nothing. You know, they are just starting. Maybe all their names are not on the board yet.
Or maybe click on the manual testing. Yeah. Or no one selected.
They've not added their names yet, I would say. So go back. So click on the 3 ellipses there. Okay, it's fine. Just click out. Click out. Okay, so when you hover around that to do, it should give you, yeah, go towards the end part, towards under the, yeah.
Okay.
Just hover around it. There's supposed to be a pop-up of, okay. So your board is not fully ready yet. Okay, so normally with that to do, if it should change to in progress if you want to, and then you are able to put your name there. Move it to in progress. Let me see. Drag it and move it. No, drag that. Yeah, drag it. It should change. Okay. So it has changed to in progress, as you can see. So this in progress means you are working on this particular PBI. Until you are done working on it, either it passed or it failed, then you then move it to done. If you are still working on it and you have not completed what you are doing on it, you don't move it to the done column yet until it is done, like we do say. So normally here you create your tax and it will reflect on your PBI on the board of board. So when I say board of board, you click on the green one, the tick with the tick boards. No, on this column now, this left column. Come out of the board, this side.
Okay.
Keep going.
All right.
Keep going. Yeah. Click on that. Let me see. Just click anywhere that says. Okay. That's the ticket you've just created. But it says unassigned there. I don't know if you can put a name there. Click on that 3 ellipses there. Let me see. No name is coming up, but I can see names. So why is name not coming up? Well, it's fine. Okay, click on the other board after work item. No. Yeah. So it brings you back to the board. So you click on the green one and then this other board will then come up. So this is where you work. Did you understand what I just did?
Yes.
Okay. So where's the ticket? It's team logo, right? This one in committed. No.
Yeah, the first one.
Yeah. So hold on. As you can see, it says 0/1. If you open up that 0/1, click on that 0/1. So you see, that's the tax we've created. That says manual tax. So when the developer also finish, if the developer do create their tax as well, it will be it will also appear there saying the developers are done or in dev when the developer also creates their tags. So the developer will also create their tags on the Springboard, and it will also reflect here. So once you finish working on it, that empty box will then get a tick that you've completed it. But until then, it will remain empty. So if you click back on the add tags,
Okay.
click. No. Yeah, you're not supposed to create. Okay, click out. Let me see. Click out, click out, click out. Click outside the box.
That's done.
Click on the 0/1. Click on the 0/1. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so it's hidden now. So to create your test plan, let's click on the team logo. So this is your acceptance criteria. I think you guys had your sprint planning yesterday, so you guys have talked on this particular PBI. If you guys have looked into it, did you do any estimation that yesterday, right? The QAs.
Yes, we did.
So this is when you had to go through the requirement if it's okay, like as I was saying to KG earlier. So this is when you kind of question the BAs. Is this what we are expecting? Is this things like that? Like the demo we demoed to you guys during the introduction session. So, and go back on the board. Let me just try if it will work, but I'm very sure it won't work. So click on that 3 ellipses next to the team logo. Yeah, so you can create a test plan here. So the only way we can create a test plan is click back on the team logo, please. And then if you scroll up, hold on, don't go too far. So let me just talk you through where you have that summary as well. Go up, up on the left. So here that you have discussion is if along the line you notice the story is not rich enough, or you have 1 or 2 issues you want to talk about, any impediment, any blocker, you can always tag your BAs here, and then put the PBI number by using hash. If you start with hash, the PBI ticket will come up, the PBI will come up, and then you can then you can then put anything that you want to say there. So this is for you to have any discussion as well with your BAs, and if there's any other issues. And I think when you also create a bug, it can also be there for you to make any comments that you have. So to create a task, click on that child.
On what?
Child. But where is the link, Rexford? Why did it come up with child first? Click on the child. Temitope,
I'm with you.
child. On this right hand.
No, he
Okay, add link,
add
right?
link. Yeah, he should click on the add
Come
link.
down, come down, come down, come down.
Up.
Up.
Okay.
Hold on. Go up a bit.
Under related work.
Yeah. Go up. Yeah. You see that add link?
Yeah.
Yes. Click on it, please. New item. Is it? Click on it, let me see. Yeah. Okay. So link type. Click on the drop down. Drop down. So this is where you say parent, right? Isn't it Rexford or child?
Yeah, child, because the parent
Child.
is there.
The parent,
Yeah.
So, and then work item type. Click on that drop down. Test case. And then you then put the title, which can be optional, right? Or just say manual testing.
Or maybe validate team logo.
Yeah, something like that. But what's the ticket we are even working on? Go back, let's
Team
see.
logo.
Yeah.
Team logo.
Okay. To validate team logo, something like that. Then you click on add link. It's a workshop. If you have any question, say it now before we go too far, because it's a workshop, so it's fine. The recording can be interrupted. So this is where you create your test plan, as you can see. Isn't it beautiful? So it has picked up your name, Tammy. Is that your name?
Yes.
Yes. So, which is good. Now do you know how to duplicate your screen?
No, I don't.
Okay.
The Temi is the BA that created the.
Oh, okay, it's not
And
your
that's
one.
not me. Yes.
Okay, so we should be able to assign it here, right? Click on that TE. Let me see. So yours is TK, right?
Yes, TK. Yes.
Okay, click on the initials. No, yeah. Click on it. No names are coming up.
No.
Okay, that's fine. Wait, don't know. In the advanced, we don't use this method, so yeah. Bear with me if it looks like I'm struggling. We use more advanced, but yeah. So to duplicate your screen, you see where the team agile team backlog at the top of your browser. Top, 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 up, 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 up. Keep
Where?
going up, up.
Team
So you
Agile.
see, hold on. You see you have ChatGPT open, and then you have your team agile.
Sorry,
Okay, come. No. Okay, save.
I'm trying to. I can't
Okay.
see the team
So
Agile.
you see where
It's a
your cursor,
URL.
keep moving up your browser, up. Just go to the top of your system.
It's on the top.
Okay, now move towards the left. Far left. Keep going. Okay, the next one. Click on the next one.
That's the browser.
Yes, click on it. That's what I've been saying. No.
All right.
No. Okay, click on that one. This is where we are. Yeah, open it up.
All right.
Yes. Now, right click. Go back there. Put your cursor there. Put your cursor where, yeah. Now, right click there. Good. Thank you. Now, go duplicate. Yes. So, I hope everyone can see that. So, you just put your cursor there and then you right click and then you click on duplicate. Now, you will then drag it. So, you see you have two. So, the first one, drag it and bring it to the side. Drag it down. You bring it down. No. Yeah, drag it. Bring it down.
All right.
Okay. So bring it to this. So this one that is open at the front now. Bring it to the side. No. Not that. No. This very one at the one we save and close. The one we save and close. Don't forget
The
this two
first.
that is open now. Hold
Okay.
on, Temitope. Hold on. Two browsers are already open for you now.
Right.
So take this first one at the front.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
I have to sneeze. Okay. So drag it to one side. Pull it. Just hold it down and drag your cursor to the left or right. Just drag it.
Yeah.
Rashford, can you explain it better if I'm not doing it?
Yeah, so
Yes.
basically what you are trying to achieve here is you are trying to look at the acceptance criteria and you are going to use that to write your test cases. So she wants it to be next to it. So if you can push it to
Okay.
where you have like details, yeah, I think this is okay, isn't it, moderator? Yeah,
Yes.
it's okay.
Sorry, I'm just sneezing. Take over
I
for a
also
minute.
have flu myself, so it's okay.
Okay, sorry about that. Okay.
Bless
Okay,
you.
so drag the other one at the top. At the top where we are before. No. At the top where we were before.
This one.
You see, you still have but I don't know. It's like you have more than 2 open, isn't it? Restford, from what I can see.
No, he's got one. It's just the
Okay,
on the other one.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so pull that one at the top. No,
Okay.
the Agile, the one next to the ChatGPT, the browser at the top. Yes.
All right.
Now drag that one. Drag it. Drag.
You want me? Okay. You want me to drag it down?
Yes.
All right.
You've left there. You've left what you were doing. I don't want to do it for you. I want you to understand it. It's very easy.
So I have one on the
Okay.
layer and
Yes.
one
Okay.
behind.
That's fine. Yeah. Okay. So, like the substance criteria says, it said, given I am a member of a team Agile, when I navigate to the SharePoint URL and the team logo is displayed to the header, then I know I am on the right page. So, like Rexford said, he taught you guys entry and exit criteria. And so this is when you kind of, this is part of your exits, not exit, but for this user story, there's a place you want to arrive. There's something you want to get. So if you scroll up, let's see the additional information up. No. Where we
All
are
right.
reading. Yeah. No, a little bit. Bring it down. Bring it down. You've gone past where we are. Bring it down. Okay. The only additional information is logo size and location. Top right. Okay, that's fine. So bring the other side. Now come to the right-hand side, the other side. The
All
other
right.
browser. Yes. Now bring it
Okay.
down. Bring it down. Bring it down. I'm
That's the
looking for where.
bottom. That's the last part.
No, where is the place to write the test case now? It was there just now. No, are you sure?
Yeah, just go on where you have like parameter values and scroll up. So where you have
All
the
right. Okay.
caption,
Okay.
No, scroll up.
yeah, you don't have to move the tab, you just have to scroll up.
Yeah. Well done. Thank you. Thank you, Restaurant. Thank you. Now start typing. So you type all what you have here on this action. No, you start from where it says click or type. Hold on. Yeah. Yes. So you type, given I am a member of Team Agile. So given when then is your Gherkin syntax or Gherkin syntax, not Gherkin. Gherkin syntax. Next one. Gherkin
Don't bite your tongue, please.
Gherkin syntax.
Yeah, the Gherkin syntax, yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, and
okay.
you guys are fortunate because your business analyst has already written like the test steps for you. So that's one advantage about it as well.
Continue, Temtakwe. Type it. Type all what is on this side. Yeah. Any questions so far? Is everyone still on the call?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Any question?
I have a question for
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I have a question.
If you are not speaking, please be muted for the sake of the
So I have a
recording.
question.
Okay, so if you have questions, please put your hand up and then we'll take it one at a time so that we're done. So Rexford, can you see the board? Who is the first person, please? Let's just do it like that so that we'll finish.
I can't see any hands up.
No hand is up yet then.
So I think I'm trying to put my hand up.
AJ's hand is up.
Is it? How come I can't see it? Okay. Yeah, go
KG,
for it.
okay.
Yeah, my question is, so obviously with the user stories, there's a particular way they write it, given that when I should, is there a particular way to write the test case?
Yes. So you follow the Gherkin syntax. So yeah. So this is what I said earlier. You use your BDD format, which is behavior driven development. So, and this also helps you to easily navigate into your automation by writing your test script in this format, because this approach is what you use to write your test script in automation. So, which has also been implemented, which is the good purpose of Azure. So, yeah. So, so once you've done this, what are you expecting? So what would be your expected result? Sorry, who else have a question? Sorry, there was a guy that was trying to talk. Sorry. Is it Dakpo? Or who was it?
Yeah, sorry, it's me, Adebayo.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, sorry, I don't know. I think I joined middle of the class. I missed the first class. So I don't know if is there another group for this agile training, please.
I don't understand your question, sorry.
Yeah, because I'm just seeing this agile, this what is I mean what you are sharing on the
Are you a
screen.
QA?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you've been on the course since I saw you earlier. You said you just joined.
No,
Can
no,
I
I mean,
help
I
you
mean,
now?
I didn't start with the first
Okay.
when you had
That's
introduction
fine.
class.
There's a video. You catch up with the video. So this is just a workshop. So if you can pay attention, even though there's a video.
I think I understand his question. Can I just clear him up?
Okay, that's fine.
All right. So in this particular training, we have QAs from the Agile team and QAs from the binary team combined. Is that okay, Adebayo?
Yes, I think
so. The person that is sharing his screen now is from the Agile team, but it's a QA. So on each team, like the Agile team, you have the QAs, you have the SM, you have the ADM, you have the PM, you have all the roles complete in each of the team, right? So I'm team binary, I'm QA. This person sharing screen now is team Agile and is QA. Is that clear?
Thank you so much. Any other question before we proceed, guys? If not, okay. Expected result will be, given I am a member of Team Agile, so my expected result will be, so it could be in any format.
Yeah.
You can say landing, what would this be now? Team Agile.
No.
Is it a website?
A member of expected results, so a member of Team Agile.
I'm a member of Team Agile. Do you know that
No,
number
like just
one is not relevant?
A member of Team Agile.
Yeah, because the whole thing starts from number 2. Well, fine, you guys will start to be doing that later on. Let's just take it step by step. Let's take it imperative. No, let's not do high level. So given I'm a member of Team Agile, what did Respo say? I'm a member of it.
So a member of Team Agile. Because
Okay.
yeah.
A member of Team Agile. And then you say, when I navigate to the SharePoint URL, so
No,
I don't want to be
don't
using
write that.
successful. No, don't use when again. So you are saying when you navigate to the SharePoint URL, what are you supposed to see when you navigate? Or just
The
that?
logo displayed.
No.
That's not it yet. So when I
But you
navigate,
know the BS, this acceptance criteria is not but this is what you people will see as you go along. That is why during your sprint planning, you have to think outside the box, because sometimes they will just write the acceptance criteria the way they think, but you as a tester, you are thinking differently. So if I'm the one, I will return this acceptance criteria for my level. But yeah, so but you guys will get to understand more as you go along.
Okay. Can I say in the second line, can I say navigating through the SharePoint URL? as expected result.
Okay, let's go for it. Well
I
done,
don't
thank
know.
you.
I'm just saying.
No,
Or
it's
you
fine. Yeah, everybody should input like that. Yeah, it shouldn't be down to
or you
myself and
can
Rex for the lot.
you can say it can be in the past tense. So when I navigated to the SharePoint URL, so navigated to the SharePoint URL because you want the expected results is the results of the action you are taking here. So when you navigate to the SharePoint URL, I mean you've navigated to the SharePoint URL. Do you understand?
Okay. So, and then the other one says, and the team logo is displayed on the header. So what would your expected result be there?
This is in two cases. Well, the team logo should be on the header. So the expected result should be a team logo displaying on the header.
It's good, isn't it, Westwood?
Yeah.
Yeah, well
Or
done.
team logo displayed on the header.
Okay.
Guys, are you having the grasp of it? So when it comes to writing test cases, you have your action and you have your expected result. So the expected results is like, I mean, obviously what your action is, and there are cases whereby from now, like when you guys are writing your test cases, you will have to, think outside the box and be able to write these test cases and the expected results. So you have to get the grasp of it. If you don't understand anything at all, Rita is here.
When, for today, or you may always? Because
always.
the response is there. You have your mentors and buddies. So then I know I am on the right page. So what do you think your then will be?
The then should be like a confirmation that I'm on the right page. So perhaps we could say, then I know I'm on the right page. I'm on the right page.
I think it should go the same, but I don't know if anything is wrong with that. Then
It should go the same. You will put then there.
Okay.
You can't put then there again. Have you noticed the giving when then only stays on the action part?
So you don't. I know I am on the right page now.
And
the then can be out of it.
How do you know you're on the right page?
I can confirm I'm on the right page if the acceptance criteria.
Please confirm I'm on the right.
Even these BAs. Rashford.
It means I'm on the right page.
Okay.
The logo is displayed on the header. Team logo displayed on the header.
Yeah, most
or
of
you can say the right page is displayed. That's one. Rashford, you were about to say something.
No, I was just saying because this is like a logo, so it's a little bit, it just has to be like straightforward, 3 lines, giving an
Honestly, the BAs, I don't know, but it's fine. You guys will get a lot of these, but like as I said, put on your thinking cap. Okay, so I'll just quickly explain this again. So what is on the action is like your prerequisites, yeah? Which is what I did in the introduction class, in the sense that giving you are going to the market to get your ingredients, and I buy or I bought all the necessary ingredients that is required, tomatoes, the pepper and everything. And remember, I'm still going and I get home, I prepare them. When I blend the combination of all the ingredients I have, this is now an action. When your giving is your precondition, I went to the market, I bought so things, and I bought this, and I walked back home, and I got home and I decided to Sorry, my pitch went high there. When I now blended all the ingredients I have, then I'm expecting it to come out as a stew, or I'm expecting to get a jollof rice. So that when can also have another then, another and under it. So your then is your given is your precondition, your when is your action, and your then is your outcome. So that's just one way of remembering it. Precondition, action, and outcome. So this is the outcome, that after I've navigated to the SharePoint, then and it displayed the logo on the header. Now you can now say I am on the right page, or the right page is displayed. So the then is always your outcome. What you are expecting. This is the expected result. So if you get something different from your expected result, say for instance, it says, then I know I'm on the right page, and maybe you get there, you are not on the right page, or maybe because you are not seeing the logo, which is now your actual, but what you want is your expected, not actual. So when it's an actual, is a no-no. Oh, expected is what you want to get. I've talked about the difference between expected and actual. So revert back to the old videos. So this is when you put everything that we've been talking into use with what Rexford also did today. This is now the action bit coming in. So you will implement everything that has been taught in the previous classes. So now we've successfully created our test case. The additional information said, well, what was the additional information? Logo size and location, top right corner. So, which can also be added in your outcome. The right page is display, and the location and the location of the logo is on the right corner. So that's one way of putting it as well. So when this is done, you then save, and then you execute the test case. So what you do now, this board that you are working on, where you are writing your test case, just make it bigger.
Okay.
Double click on it, it should come up bigger. Yeah. Okay, so you save it. So I hope everyone understand how to write your test case. You go through the add link that is there under related work. Hold on, Timothy. You go through, just taking it again quickly. You click on the add link, and then which is the parent, then you put your work item as a child, I think, work item as your test case, and the first field there, you use the drop down to change it to child, and then afterwards you click on then you give it your title, then you click on OK. That's how you create your test case, and then you just write your test case. So as you can see, everything is obvious there for you. The ticket, the PBI number, the title, and that is in progress. We are yet to finish. So to execute the test case, you go to, so close this. Thank you. So go to scroll on this on your left hand side, because I don't think you can run it there, but yeah, go to the left hand side, click, scroll up. Let's see test plan. I can't see test plan. Is it there? Scroll up. Scroll up. Keep going.
That's
no, this is not the tester's account, so they don't have the tester. They don't have the test plan feature.
No, well, it should be here. Have you got to the last bit?
Yeah.
That's the last bit.
This is the basic access.
Yeah. So how do you? You're
So
supposed to go on the test plan, isn't it? Even for the basic, the test plan is supposed to be there. And then you then go through the manual running process.
I can see delivery plans. Does that match?
No. We are looking
it's
for.
because it's the basic account. That is why. Because I'm not even sure he will be able to execute the test case. They need a tester's account to be able to execute the test case.
Click on that logo again. Scroll down. Scroll down. Hold on. Click on that manual testing. Let's just experiment. Okay. No, just close it. That's fine. This is the description. Okay, close this one. Click on the 3 ellipses. Let me see.
On the team logo.
Oh, even we cannot execute. It's not in dev. Yeah, it's not dev. Developer has not worked on it. But yeah, so first of all, okay, it's even better so that you guys will understand the test case. So when the developer has also finished working on it, that's when you can execute. Remember, you can only create your test plan. So we cannot execute yet until if you move if you come down, you will see this arrow on your right-hand side at the end of your screen. Come down, down. No, don't. No, I just want you to move the board to your right-hand side. No.
Okay.
So you can see when after the dev done, once the PBI is in dev done, always move your ticket because that's when the Scrum Masters will come for you. Once it's in dev done, that means the developer has finished working on it. Then you move it to in QA. Yeah. In QA means you are working on it, like Temitope did now. It shows it's in progress, he's working on it. So once you've executed it, you then move it to QA done. So from QA done, the BA or the Scrum Master will then move it to UAT. That has got nothing to do with you. What you are working on is just these 2 columns that says in QA and QA done. And you can only move your ticket to in QA once it's in dev done. Until then, you cannot drag it from committed to in QA. So it has to be in dev done for you to move it to in QA. So as you can see, it's in committed. The developer is in process. That's the software testing lifecycle we are talking about is in process. So after the committed column, it then move into the in dev where the developer will also work on it. When developer is done, developer will then move it to dev done. So when developer has then finished, you in QA, we also now move it to your in QA. So I hope it is clear. The test case we've just written tonight. Does anyone want to give it a go? If someone else wants to share their screen, maybe from another group, and then you guys can talk the person through. Let's just quickly do that in the next 10 to 15 minutes so that we can go. Some people are working tomorrow. Temitope, you can stop sharing.
All right.
Yeah, thank you. So someone else from Binary, share your screen. If there's no one, then we'll call it a night. Yes. KG, is that your legacy hand? Adewoyi. Amalara, please go for it.
Okay. No, I've got a question. My question was,
Okay.
after we completed the test case and obviously we had the opportunity to execute it, do we need to take print screens and attach it to the ticket?
It's a good practice. Yes.
Okay.
Is it my turn now?
Yes, please, Omalara.
Yes, well done. Good evening, everybody. Please,
Good
I
evening.
put the question on the chat, but I discovered that it was not read.
Oh, sorry
Then,
about that.
yes, my question is, are we going to have individual assignments, or are we going to create our own, or we are working as a team and we'll be giving individual tasks?
Yes.
Because actually I've been following what you are doing and I'm getting some points.
Okay.
I'm new.
That's good. No, that's fine. Don't worry. You'll be a teacher soon. So what I'd say is everybody will get their own ticket, because you guys, this cohort, to be honest, I'm shocked. I think apart from during the Rexford time, you guys are also the group that have seen that the POAs are a lot, which is very good, and that will keep the BAs working. So like the Temitope board had nine PBIs. So you can take it one. And I think sometimes you can challenge yourself and work on other tickets. What if with this kind of testing approach? Because if you guys are using tester accounts, you can't do that, I think. So with this process, I think one or two persons can work on one PBI. Yeah.
Yeah, or they can all work on the PBI, isn't it? Just to advance their skills or
Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah. Sometimes Mr. Deji will say, why are you just bringing in only one ticket for the whole
exactly.
sprint? So you should, if you can, some people will go ahead and write all the 10 stories. That's them challenging yourself. And those are the kind of people that before the internship finish, they're already applying for jobs. So the more you get your hands dirty, the more you push yourself, the better for you. Temitope, quickly, is anyone sharing from binary? If not, we end the call then.
So I have a question. So the
Yeah, go ahead,
question is,
please.
you said there's 2 weeks time frame to get your testing done.
No, sprint is 2 weeks. Sprint is 2
Sorry,
weeks.
sprint is 2 weeks, and in the process, you have perhaps a day to get your testing and everything done. So, like, my question right now is, in the absence of the developers being like doing what they are supposed to do, are we to wait for a ticket to be assigned to us as QA, or we can just work on the test cases as time goes by to practice?
Okay, if I got your question right, I said it earlier, like what we just did now, you don't wait for the developer. I mean, as the ticket is in committed, you can write your stories. If it's in dev, you can write your stories. If you want to wait till dev done, just know that you are putting yourself in a tight space. But if you have created your test plan and you are just waiting for the environment for the features to be ready, it saves you time. So by the time the developer then move it to dev done, you have already executed in the same vein, and then that's it. So if you then find a bug, you might be able the developer might be able to fix that bug in that sprint and that bug might not have to go into the next sprint. So it's kind of you trying to meet your timeline, because we always work with timeline. Say for a project, it could be 6 months project, so you have to meet up with that 6 months. So hence that's why in Agile we do it in chunks, bit by bit, which is also the shift left testing that Restful told you guys about. So you use that approach, you use that method. You don't have to wait for everything to be completed before you start. So in Agile, when does testing start? These are all part of interview questions. Testing starts from the beginning. From the beginning, why? From the moment that you have your requirement, your acceptance criteria. That this is you questioning the BAs. So these are all part of the testing process. So imagine if you are not there and after is when you want to write your test case, then you discover that the I mean, sometimes it happens anyway, that the acceptance criteria is too ambiguous, or it has one thing or the other. You as a tester, you put on your thinking cap and you're thinking this is not right. So that has now taken a bit of time, if you understand what I'm trying to say, because you didn't do it when you were supposed to do it. So it will kind of set the team backward a little bit, depending on what the tester had foreseen or things like that, depending on the situation. So it can serve as a blocker. It can delay release time, things like that. Yeah. So hence that's why we do advise you start testing from the beginning. In Agile, anyway, you start from the beginning. Somebody talked about waterfall. So where we do Agile, but in the advance, you could be working on some project. You might have the opportunity to do waterfall. Like I'm working in a project that is Badger. It's not really waterfall, it's Badger. So it's a combination of waterfall and Agile. So people don't really do waterfall again, except if it's a very small project. People, I think I've talked on this on the previous class as well. So people are more into Agile because you want to get the client involved and things like that. All those facilities are not there in waterfall compared to Agile. So here we mostly do Agile, no waterfall. But I mean, if you understand Agile, you can work with waterfall. In the same vein, I think you can also do the same. It doesn't, it's just a methodology and a kind of approach that is used in different organizations depending on the kind of project. So you don't need to be trained for you to understand it. So you kind of go with the flow, because it's just a different approach, whereby a situation whereby you wait for a requirement to be done before you go to the next phase. You wait for that phase to be completed, reviewed, and approved before you then go to the next phase. That's why it is called, because it's sequential. That's the waterfall. So in Agile, we don't practice that. Agile, you work with sprint. You bring out the PBIs in chunks, bit by bit. And then this is also when we also demo it to the client. Oh, we've done this part. The client will get the client involved, look at what we've done. If there's any changes that need to be made, this is when it will be implemented, rather than till the end, now coming back to implement all those changes, updating the requirement or modifying the requirement or things like that. So that's just the difference. Trust me, you don't want to work in Agile and in waterfall. You would rather want to, because Agile is more of iterative. It's more interesting, to be honest, in my own opinion anyway. Yeah. Okay, let's quickly go for it. I hope that answers all the questions. I just remember that I didn't answer that question. That was why I quickly touched on it. So yeah. Okay, so who is sharing? Can
I'm
you do it
sharing.
from who? Sorry, your name, please.
KG.
No, don't close the KG. Just drag
Okay.
it. Make it kind of equal. So
Small.
drag this one at the front. Yeah. Yes, well done. And do the other one like that. So don't let it overlap. Try and
Oh, okay.
the one we'll be writing the test plan or make it bigger. The test case on rather, sorry.
Yeah,
You do.
it is the best I can. Is that
No,
okay?
you can't. That's not the best. You already did it.
Oh,
Okay, hold on. Bring it to the end until you get like the cross sign, the end here on your left-hand side. This first one, bring it to the end.
yeah.
Cursor
There.
is not moving. Is it me? Can't see your cursor moving. Bring it, so bring your cursor to the left-hand side.
To my left-hand side here.
Your cursor is not moving.
I'm
Okay.
moving it.
Oh, why am I saying? Okay, that's my cursor. Sorry.
Oh, this is what you want me to do.
No, not that. No, hold on.
Okay.
So, hold on. Bring your cursor now. No, put it where you have this gray line, the gray line at the end of this one. No, the other one. Come further. Come. No, this same one at the front.
Here.
Hold on. Hold on. No, come back to where we were. Okay, you see where the board is, where we say board.
Yeah, yeah.
Now bring it to the end, to the tick. No, this other line, the other line. The tick, the end. Move it. No.
Do you want her to minimize
Drag
it
it.
or what?
Yes. Okay, now you've got that.
Okay.
Is
Now
this what
drag
you?
it. Yes.
Oh,
Now
okay.
drag it to your right. Keep going.
Right. Okay.
Just drag.
Is that okay?
No, you're not. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Maybe we should be able to work with this. So,
Okay.
if this, move it to, move your, let's see the BA, the committed or approved. What have they done? Okay,
We got
so
in there.
yeah, open. So first of all, we haven't created a tax. Close it, please.
Yep.
So go to, yes, now go to sprints. I'm not gonna, so can somebody else take that, please? I expect, no, not burn down, go back. Sprint, yes. Why is your sprint like this?
I'm not sure. Sorry, let me make it wide out.
No, don't worry, no. It's not in,
Strange.
put it
It's
in,
just-
go to the top there, where it says sprint, I think.
Yeah.
No, at the top, yeah. Click on it. Click on that board, let me see. Click on the board. Click on the next one, yeah, click on that. It's taking you back to board. Okay, go back. Go back to sprint on your left. Go back to sprint on your left. Yes. Now, tax board. No. Sprint. Why is your sprint bringing? Okay. Now create a tax. Can somebody that understand? Temitope, drive, please. We are all in this together so that.
Hello.
Temitope, is anyone there? Okay, KG, I expect you to remember this bit. No.
I just remember you saying something
I'm
about icon.
here.
Okay, please drive.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay mute
All right.
till you crash the system.
We could just use manual testing. Let's go with that. So yeah. Go to click on the icon. Yeah. All right. So let's go back to the board. And let's go to the committed. So click on team name.
Team name. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, let's add link.
Child. Yeah.
Yeah, child, then test case.
And it's validate team name.
Okay. I hope we are on the right path.
Rita, are we progressing?
Yes, you are. Carry on. I
Okay,
think
thank you.
she had said she won't talk until.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Click on to refresh. All right.
Okay. Okay, and then I think I need to open it here as well. Bear with me.
So you need to open the acceptance criteria.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna go back to the board here. It's afraid to refresh. Oh, what am I doing?
No. Yeah, the other one.
Where's an opening?
I just click on the green one. Yeah, the board of the on the yeah. So what's the committed? Yeah. All right, team name. So let's click on, hold on. The screens. I click on action.
Action.
Okay, so now we have our acceptance criteria. So given I am logged into the SharePoint site, so let's say now you, okay, you can perhaps come up with the test case, or in my opinion, I am logged into the SharePoint site. Oh no, write all the acceptance criteria
Yeah.
first. Sorry.
Can I just copy? I don't know if this will be quicker. Copy and paste it. Yeah, because it's the same thing in it. And then that's when we write the correct. Oops, my bad. Okay.
So now we move to the expected results.
Yeah.
Okay.
So given that,
So,
given I'm logged into the SharePoint site, so can we
let's
say
say, okay,
I'm logged in? I'm on the
yes,
share.
I'm
I've
logged in.
navigated. Sorry,
No,
give
let's
me an example.
I'm logged into the SharePoint site.
So at this point, you can
Yeah,
expand the screen if you like, since you don't have any more to take there.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. When I navigate to the team section,
yeah. You could say navigated to the team section.
and I click on create team.
Yeah.
So this will be,
I clicked on the create team. The Rex, please correct us if we are going astray.
Yeah.
create team. Should that be like an icon or a button? And I click on create team icon, team.
No, I don't think it's icon.
Okay.
With team,
the icon.
you can use, but you can't add anything again. I think. Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe, yeah. Okay, I'll just leave that for now.
So
Maybe I'm just a
in
button.
this, yeah, guys, in this example, you can, for instance, and I click on the create team, so you can be like, create team icon clicked or clicked on
display create team.
it will. At the moment, we don't know what will happen when you click on it, isn't it? Because it only says, and I click on it and I enter team name. So what the expected results is to be able to click on it. So yeah.
And maybe we should remove the I clicked.
Yeah.
I should be clicked on the create team.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
And I enter team name.
so
Type team name.
entered
team name.
Entered team name.
Enter team name.
Enter. Okay.
Entered.
Oh, my bad.
No, sorry.
And I add the team description.
Or we could say added team description or team description added.
Team members selected. Is that, do you agree?
Good. Yeah.
Or select team.
But this in a way, some in the English we
select team member.
It means two things. So we could say select team members.
Select team members.
Remember,
You can
you
say
are writing the
team
action.
member selected.
Exactly, because you are writing the action. If you say select team members, it's like a command.
Yeah. Don't action. That's all. Thank you. Okay. And
clicked on save.
Click on save. Click on save.
So now let's go to the
So in a situation like this, you can ask during sprint planning, you can ask the business analyst, and I click on save. What do I click? Do I click on a button? Do I click on a hyperlink? You know, these are some of the questions you have to ask them.
I should
so
see.
then I see, or I get a confirmation. I see a confirmation message.
Or view a confirmation message.
Or I receive a confirmation. May not you.
Yeah, I received a confirmation message. I don't know if you can paraphrase.
Confirmation message was received.
Confirmation message is displayed.
Was received.
Yeah, it's also fine.
Or displayed.
That one is better.
Does it have any additional
Since it
information?
says, then I see. Let's use this display there.
Does it have any additional
information? Check if it has additional information.
Yes, it does.
Okay. Now, so we have to add the additional information.
Name should be binary. Should be called binary list team description. I think the first
let's
one.
tackle the first one first.
Yeah.
That's how you go and tackle it with interviewer.
Confirmation message is displayed.
And interviewer, you have to be using buzzwords.
In the place of that confirmation message is displayed, I think it should now be the team binary was displayed, I think.
So that additional information, I don't understand it. Where is it supposed? Where does it come in? It could have been that it should have come in like and I select team member. It could have been and I click on save. So These are some of the questions you will ask. So let's go back to the story so we have a better clarification.
Yeah, and moderator, just before you proceed, I think the guy said he thinks. So assumption is coming in there. And if you quite remember during the class earlier, I told you that we don't assume. You don't have to assume.
You have to be clear. It has to be clear to you. You have to, this is where you ask questions. So I'm putting it, somebody needs to explain this PBI to me because you guys had the sprint planning. So what is it about? What is the expected, what is the outcome? What are we looking for to get here? What are we arriving at?
I think to see the team name displayed on the page.
So sometimes you start from the top. You start from there. That description will tell you what the whole thing is all about. So it says, as a binary team member, I want to manage team names so that I can organize and identify different project teams effectively. Very clear. So it now says, given I'm logged into the SharePoint site, when I navigate to the team session and I click on create team and I enter team name. So that team name, that's the first additional information, which it says, scroll up, additional information, which it says the team name should be called binary. So when you are writing, come down a bit, please. Who is driving? KG, come down.
Yeah.
So that place where it says, on your test case first. Let's go. Yeah. So where it says, and I click on create a team and I enter team name. So that's where your team name should be binary. So I think it's just an additional information whereby you will not have to parameterize it. Isn't it, Rexford? Is it?
Sorry, I wasn't listening. What did you say?
Yes, because it says and I click on create a team and I enter team name. So that team name is meant to now be the additional information where it said the team name should be binary. So the expected result will then be team name should be binary. Let me see, what did you put on your expected result on that line?
Yeah, we can parameterize that.
Yes. So now you will not parameterize binary. Look at the additional information again. How did they put it again? It said team name should be called binary. So parameterize binary.
Is it not too early for them to parameterize?
How do you do that?
Because it's additional information.
Okay.
Yeah, it goes with it. You put it in quote.
Okay. Here?
Yeah.
So if you had to parameterize it before, let's do this first before she does that.
Okay, that's fine. It's not gonna be too much. It's nothing here. It's just. Or is this? Do you guys understand this bit? Because it's part of the additional information anyway.
Yeah, because this shows the expected result.
We are farmed, Abby.
So it's clear because Rexford is thinking it might be too much. So I want to know, is it too much? Do you guys understand it? Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
That's to ascertain, since there is no guessing of this thing. You have to be sure of what one is putting there.
Okay, that's fine. So the second additional information say place the team description, which I don't know. You say
So
and I enter team name.
Yeah, this user story actually yesterday we said needed some fine tuning. So it wasn't like fully approved actually.
Okay.
I remember this one. So
okay.
yeah.
So anyway, it's fine. So what we are doing is we are writing test case. Can you see how designing your test case can be tricky? So if you don't understand the requirement, you will struggle to write your test case. So once you understand your requirement, which is the bone of contention, it makes your test case very easy to write, to design. Okay, so that's what we are doing today. So I hope everyone can create their test cases with what we've done today. Rexford, I say that?
Yes, Rita.
Yes, please, KG. Do you have the template for them for the test plan? I told you about it too.
Yes.
Please send it to their QA community. So guys, as a group, create a test strategy. Individually, create a test plan. It's from Mr. Deji. It's not me. He's gonna ask for it.
Like create a test plan and strategy. Is that the task?
Sorry, KG, do save changes. What did you change? Just do save changes. Sorry, who was asking a question?
Yeah, I'm just asking to clarify, test plan and test strategy, is that the task?
Yes. So don't forget, Rexford have touched on it today. So the test strategy will be for the whole team. And then the test plan will be individual work.
We pick on any story to write a test plan.
No. Rexford. Yeah.
Oh
Can you
my
stop
God.
the recording?
Who was the okay? Yes, stop the recording.